We're going to make different tests to know about the pages in .NET Maui. And for it, we're going to proceed to create a new project with the template. We click on Next. Let's place a specific name for this project as, for example, Pages Demo. We have already created our project, and the first thing we need to know is how we can assign or where to assign the home page for our application. Let's go to the Solution Explorer, and we have as part of this project a file called app.saml.cs, which is located below this hierarchy inside app.saml. Let's open this file. As part of this file, we have a line that says main page equals to new app shell. This line is the one that is indicating which is the initial page of the application. In this case, we are indicating with this instruction that app shell, which is a page that is part of the hierarchy of our project, is going to be the initial page. Something that we can do is to indicate that we do not want this page to be the initial page, but that main page is the initial page. Then we're going to indicate that we want this page called main page to be the initial page. If we proceed to start the execution of the application, here we have already the application being executed. And maybe you might think that the application or the initial page is the same as the one we had before, but you're going to find out when we get to the shell module that this is not true. Let's move on to analyze the first type of page, which is the type of page called content page.